To create a form in Google Forms, you want to come into your browser and type forms.new. If you are signed into your Chrome browser, it should be fine. But if you're signing into a different browser, it will prompt you to sign up to your Google account. So now I'm signed into my browser, so I didn't need to sign up into my account. First thing you want to do is to give your form a title. Let's also title our form. If you click on this, it's going to pick this title naturally. So you want to say your description. If you want to describe what your form is for, you want to say it here. From this untitled question, you want to click on it and start typing your question. And you will come here and click the drop down to select what type of answer you want. Do you want multiple choice? Do you want a paragraph? Do you want short answer? Do you want the response to be a checkbox? Do you want a drop down? I want a short answer. You might want to make this required if you must collect this detail from people. You might want to turn it on required. I'm going to click this plus sign. So adding the next question. My next question is going to be email. And I'm still going to come here and select short answer and make it required. My next question will be date of birth. It naturally selected the date. I'm going to leave this one as not required and I'm going to add in the next question. But if you put in a question and you no longer want to use that section of the question, you want to delete it. And you can also click on any question you have that you want to duplicate and duplicate that section. I might want to change this to once you have your forms, you fill in the data you want to collect from people. You want to come to preview to see how your form will look when people see it. Let's go back from the preview. And you also want to come to publish your form. But before we publish it, you want to come to this customize theme. From here, you can customize how your form looks. You can add a header banner. If you have an image you want to add to your, let's upload a banner, browse. I'm going to use this as my own banner. I'm going to take this image to put it here. So this can be my banner or I can make this my banner. So I'm going to click on done and you see I've added this beautiful header to my form. You can change the color of your theme and all that from this section. Now we are going to publish our form to complete our settings. So responder of this form is anyone with the link. We want anyone with the link to respond to this form. And you're going to click on publish. Now our form is live. You see we can copy a URL from here. And we can also shorten a URL link from here if we don't want to use a link shortener. And we'll copy this link and share it with people. When we come over to settings, there you see more settings you can do to your form. Manage how responses is collected and protected. You can click this drop down. If you want to make collecting email address compulsory, you want to click on verify. You can also limit to one response. Send responder a copy. You can turn this on. Once you're happy with your settings, you've published your form and I've copied the link. And if I go to my next tab, I'm pasting that form link. And from here, I'm going to fill out this form now. I'm going to write, I'm just going to tap in numbers to make this fillable. And this is not compulsory. So if I click on submit, it will allow me to submit the form. So from here, let's go back into the form we created. You've seen that it has highlighted one response from here. So if you click on this, you can see the person that filled out your form. And from here, you can also link it to Sheets so that you have the backend data. You might want to select an existing sheet or create a new sheet, which I probably like to create a new sheet. And I will click on create. This will open it in Google Sheets. So whenever somebody fills this form, it will naturally update on the sheet.